stop scrolling, because these are the travel gadgets that make you say, how did I live without this? From smart packing to stress-free travel tools, we've got it all. Smash that subscribe and watch closely, because these are the Amazon gadgets you actually need for travel. Links to grab them? Yep, description. Don't wait, let's go. Overpacking used to be a nightmare. Not anymore. This is the Air Vault Vacuum Backpack, and it literally compresses your clothes. Built-in air pump shrinks your packing by over 50%. Press, pack, and watch the space appear. 60 liters normally, 70 liters when expanded. That's full suitcase capacity in a backpack. 18 separate pockets, laptop sleeve, tablet slot, power bank pocket, water bottle holder, USB charging port, TSA lock, even a hidden anti-theft compartment. Waterproof and built to carry 30 kilograms. One bag replaces multiple bags. More space, less stress. Ever lost your wallet while traveling? Instant panic. This fixes that. Meet Volkit AirTag Wallet. Built-in AirTag holder lets you track your wallet from your phone. Open the app, boom, found. Press the side button and your cards pop up clean and organized. Holds 13 cards, cash pocket, ID window, hidden slots, RFID and NFC blocking to stop digital thieves. Premium leather feel, slim design, detachable keyring for extra security. Trackable, secure, organized. If you travel with important cards and IDs, this wallet is peace of mind in your pocket. Different country, different plug. Total nightmare. This one gadget solves it all. Meet Septic's Universal Travel Adapter. Works in Europe, UK, USA, Australia, Asia, over 200 countries. 2 regular outlets, 1 USB-A, 2 USB-C with 35-watt fast charging. Charge your phone, laptop, earbuds, and watch at the same time. Compact, lightweight, comes with a travel pouch. No more carrying 5 adapters. No more fighting over hotel outlets. One device, global power unlocked. Just remember it's an adapter, not a voltage converter. For modern travelers, this is essential. Airport liquids rules ruining your packing? Not anymore. This is a leak-proof travel bottle kit. 4 50-milliliter leak-proof containers in one compact silicone case. 2 pump bottles, 2 spray bottles, labels included so you know what's what. Perfect for shampoo, conditioner, lotion, sanitizer, perfume. Clear design so you can see exactly what's inside. No more buying overpriced mini toiletries. No spills in your bag. No security problems at the airport. Reusable, practical, and perfectly travel-sized. Small kit, big upgrade. Carrying a huge water bottle while traveling? Stop. This bottle collapses when empty. 32-ounce capacity when full, folds down to just a few inches when not. Made from food-grade silicone, leak-proof lid, built-in straw. Perfect for flights, hiking, road trips, and everyday travel. Pass airport security empty, refill after. Save money on drinks. Lightweight, BPA-free, dishwasher safe. Hydration without wasted space. Smart design, every traveler needs this. Don't want AirTags in your wallet? Use this Air Card Tracker instead. It's a super thin fracker that fits inside your wallet like a credit card. Works directly with Apple Find My tracking. Lost wallet? Find it on a map. Make it ring. Get alerts if you leave it behind. It's 20% louder than an AirTag and way slimmer. Also includes RFID protection. Bonus feature, digital business card with NFC and QR code. One tiny card, maximum security. If you're forgetful while traveling, this saves the day. Your passport is the most important thing you carry, so why not make it smart? This passport holder has built-in Apple Find My tracking. Lose it in a hotel room? Your phone guides you right to it. RFID blocking protects your personal data. 4 card slots, space for boarding passes and documents, premium vegan leather finish. Rechargeable battery lasts up to 5 months. Wireless charging, slim design. Organization and security in one elegant case. For international travelers, this is a game changer. Still traveling with 5 chargers and a bag of cables? Stop. This one station charges everything. iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods at the same time, plus 2 extra USB ports for more devices. Fast charging folds into a tiny block for easy packing, fits in your pocket. Comes with a 35-watt power adapter and travel case. No more cable spaghetti in hotel rooms. One outlet, one charger, everything powered. If you travel with multiple gadgets, you need this. You trust airport handlers with your stuff. Maybe you shouldn't. Flexible steel cable fits any zipper or lock point, strong enough to resist pulling and prying. A 3-digit combination you can set yourself, and because they're TSA approved, airport security can inspect your bag without cutting the lock. Perfect for suitcases, backpacks, gym bags, lockers. Small, lightweight, reliable. Tiny gadget, massive peace of mind. Lock your bag and travel relaxed. Messy toiletry bags driving you crazy? This fixes it. 3-piece travel organizer system. Hanging toiletry bag, clear TSA liquids pouch, and extra accessory organizer. Hang it up in any bathroom and see everything instantly. Durable nylon material, premium zippers, expandable pockets, perfect for short trips or long vacations. No more digging through a pile of bottles. Everything neat, everything accessible. Organization done right. Want to stay well-groomed on the road? You need the Lifin P3 Pro, a compact electric shaver with insane power. 12,000 cuts per minute for a super close shave. Ultra-thin foil for smooth results with less irritation. USB-C fast charging, 100 minutes of battery life. IPX7 waterproof, wet or dry shaving. Magnetic snap-on heads for easy cleaning. Compact aluminum body with a travel lock so it won't turn on in your bag. Quick shave, no bulky grooming kit. Stay sharp anywhere in the world. And that's a wrap on today's must-have travel gadgets. All links are waiting for you in the description. Hit like, smash subscribe for more travel gear and gadget videos.